This is 80+ acres of deep Maine woods with a fully set up hunting camp, private pond, and untouched forest that hasn't been cut in years. The moment you leave the main road and follow the old rural access, everything changes. You transition from everyday noise into a completely private stretch of land. Where 80+ acres of Maine forest open up in every direction. This is the kind of setting where you immediately feel distance from the outside world. The land itself is the main feature here. Mature trees dominate the landscape, creating a thick, natural canopy that supports strong wildlife activity throughout the property. Deer, birds, and other game species are commonly seen, making this an ideal hunting and recreational setup. Stone walls from the property's earlier farming history still run through sections of the woods, giving subtle signs of its past while blending into the natural environment. At the center of the property is a simple but fully functional off-grid hunting camp. It is designed for real use, not luxury, with multiple bunk areas that allow for group stays or family trips. A central gathering space provides room to relax after long days outdoors, while solar lighting adds basic modern convenience without taking away from the off-grid feel. Inside the camp setup, you also have practical features that make extended stays comfortable. There is a privy, a propane hot water system, and a basic shower setup that allows you to clean up after time spent in the woods. Everything is designed around functionality and outdoor living. Just outside the camp area, the private pond adds another layer of usability and atmosphere. It serves as a quiet place to relax, observe wildlife, or simply enjoy the natural surroundings. It also enhances the overall ecosystem of the property, attracting more wildlife throughout the seasons. The forest itself has remained largely untouched for many years, which adds to both its privacy and habitat quality. This long period without cutting has created a natural, mature woodland